Again. Don't stop the recording. Game. I'm coming home, I've done my time. And I've got to know what's yours and isn't mine. If you receive my letter telling you I'd soon be free, then you'll know just what to do if you still want me. If you still want me, we'll tie your yellow ribbon around the old oak tree. And it's been 3 long years. Do you still want me? If I don't see a ribbon round the old oak tree, and I'll stay on the bus, forget about us, put the blame on me. If I don't see a yellow ribbon round the old oak tree. Oh, bus driver, please see you wait for me. 'Cause my love, she just sent a letter asking me if I'm free. But if you receive a letter telling you I'd soon be free, then you know just what to do if you still want me. If you still want me, tie a yellow ribbon round old oak tree. It's been 3 long years. Do you still want me? If I don't see a ribbon round the old oak tree, now stay on the bus, forget about us, put the blame on me. If I don't see a ribbon round the old oak tree.
Wala taas ang practice. Hindi ko naman alam.
Very good, I fear. Not